Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to show specific shipping only for certain zip or postal codes in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the zip or postal codes condition. So first, we'll search for zip or postal codes in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination or Select Essential 2 combination to continue. After adding the zip or postal code, you'll see a drop-down with several options: exact match, partial match, starts with, ends with, and range. Exact match. Hide if the zip/postal code exactly matches what you entered. Partial match. Hide if the zip/postal code contains the entered numbers anywhere in it. Starts with. Hide if the zip/postal code begins with the entered numbers. Ends with. Hide if the zip/postal code ends with the entered numbers. Range. Hide if the zip/postal code falls within a specific number range you define. The range format is like this: 1000 to 1100. If you want to add multiple ranges, add a comma after each range and then enter the next one: 1000 to 1100, 2000 to 2100. For this example, we choose If Not Found and select the exact match, then enter the zip code 10001. Now set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add express shipping, which should only be displayed when the zip or postal code is 10001. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, express shipping is visible because the customer's postal area is not 10001. Now let's change the postal area to 10001 and check again. As you can see, the express shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how you can show specific shipping only for certain zip or postal codes. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!